Hello friends, welcome back to Exams Made Easy. I hope you all are doing well. Through this video, we'll be discussing a recruitment notification that has been published by Odisha Public Service Commission, as you can see here on the screen. So friends, Odisha Public Service Commission is going to recruit Assistant Executive Engineer in Civil Engineering discipline, and this is a Group A post. So friends, before we begin, I would like to inform you that all the citizens of India, irrespective of their states, are eligible to apply in the above mentioned post. So friends, if you are watching our videos for the first time, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, let me remind you, here in Exams Made Easy, you can get each and every engineering recruitment notifications update every day. So if you are an engineering graduate or engineering diploma holder, then please confirm that you have subscribed our channel and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any further updates. So friends, coming back to this recruitment notification analysis, Odisha Public Service Commission's this recruitment form fill up will start from 26th August 2020. So you have to wait for some more days and it will continue till 25th September 2020. So friends, this is Odisha Public Service Commission's official notification, and it is Odisha Public Service Commission is going to recruit 2,210 number of assistant executive engineers in civil engineering discipline. So if you look at the various category wise disciplines, unreserved 105, AC BC 24, SC 34, ST 47. So friends, it is said that out of the 210 number of vacancies mentioned above, reservation of vacancies in respect of sports person and person with disabilities are given below. So out of the 210 number of vacancies, these are the number of vacancies reserved for sports persons and for persons with disabilities. So friends, coming to the various other information regarding this recruitment notification, like eligibility criteria, educational qualification, etc. If you look at the educational qualification, a candidate must have possessed a degree in engineering from any university or institution recognized by government, or he or she must be an associate member of the Institution of Engineers of India. So AMI degree holders are also eligible irrespective of their date of enrollment. So friends, coming to the other informations like age must be between 21 years till 32 years if you are unreserved category candidate. For SC ST will get relaxation of 5 years, for OBC 3 years, and for person with disabilities will get relaxation of 10 years. And friends, if you look at the examination fee, you have to pay rupees 500 at examination fee, and there are exemptions for person with disabilities also. So friends, method of selection, there will be a written test followed by a viva voce test. So friends, there will be a negative marking as well, 0.25 for every wrong answer. So friends, let me remind you once again that all the citizens of India, irrespective of their states, are eligible to apply for those posts, and recruitment notification will consist of 300 marks general studies, science, general awareness, and 300 marks civil engineering specialized paper. So friends, some other informations are also there that I like to share with all of you. The written examination will be in the various districts or cities of the state of Odisha, and other eligibility criteria like candidate must be a citizen of India, not a citizen of Odisha, like the recruitment notifications in case of Assam. You might have seen that for Assam's recruitment notification, only candidates from Assam are eligible. But for friends, one important criteria is mentioned here, like what you might have seen in the case of West Bengal and the other states also, that you might have to know the regional language or language of that particular state, so that you should have to be able to read, write and speak the regional language or Odia language. So friends, some other informations are also there, some important points are also there. If you would like to download this recruitment notification official advertisement, you can download the same from our Telegram channel, and also link is available in the description box of this video itself. By following the link also you can download the same. So friends, this was all about the recruitment notification. Since the online application procedure has not yet been started, it will start from 26th of August, as I have already mentioned. So wait for some more days. Thanks for watching as always. And friends, once more time I would like to inform you or request you, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, please Please subscribe and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any updates. And this is the website. The website link is also available in the description box of this video. Thank you.